Hello, everyone. By the end of this video, you will learn how to make this animated video in Blender. So if you like it, please like and subscribe. So, this is a scene we have to start with. Set the camera as you like, and when you're happy with the scene, press I on the keyboard, and click on location to add a keyframe. Then go to frame 150, and then move the camera back, and when it is looking nice, add another keyframe. And when you press play, it should look something like this. Select both the keyframes from the left button on the mouse, and click right, and set the interpolation mode to linear. Just copy the render settings shown in the video.
I'll be standing right there in the middle of a circle with my arms out wide, trying to turn back the hands of time.
We will make the animation using an image sequence. So for that we will save the animation in PNG format. We can render the animation in MP4 also, but for some reason if your PC crashes, you will have to start the animation again. And that's why we will render it like this, and then we will combine the images in Blender itself to make an animation video. You can turn on the compositor if you have composited the image, otherwise leave it unchecked. And we will leave the sequencer unchecked for now, and then hit render animation, so all the 150 images will be. After all the 150 images are rendered, we will go to video editing. Press Shift+A and go to image sequencer, and go to the folder where all the images are stored, and select them by hitting A on the keyboard. Then make these changes as shown in the video. Select the folder where you want to save the animated video. I'm sorry, screen recorder couldn't capture all that. After that you hit render animation. After you render the animated video, it should look like this. Please like and subscribe for more such videos.